Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command C: and simply press enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space C:/. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space C: /bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C: \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space C: \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.